Hello viewer and welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Parkside Performance Angle Grinder, the model PPWS 125A1, for cutting and grinding metal, tiles or masonry. 2-in-1 protective cover for cutting and grinding, rated power 1700 watts, no rotor rotation speed from 3200 to 9200 RPM. Disc size 125mm diameter, detachable 5-meter power cable for changing tools easily in your work area. I like that. Accessories included. In comparison to the Parkside Angle Grinder PWS 125G6, we have 40% higher rated power, 25% higher maximum cutting performance and 20% higher maximum grinding performance, because it has a brushless motor. With a 5 years warranty, of course. Who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. So let's move on and open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case, Parkside Performance, on a black and red color, with metal hinges. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but say we're going to find out all about this product. Wow, that is a huge thickness for the cable. I like it. 5 meters of cable, very convenient, work freely in your area, wherever you want. Maybe you don't need an extension power cord, it is enough the 5 meters. And one disc included, 125mm. We have one additional handle with a soft grip around, black and red color. 2-hole mounting spanner for the disc installation. You can store it as this position. And of course, at the tool, we have 3 additional threaded holes for the additional handle. You can have it at this position, or here, or here. It is your choice. I like that. We have the cutting guard attachment, plastic. You can rotate. So we have one position here, second, third, 4, 5 different positions to adjust. Inside here we have the locking flange, attachment spindle and baking flange. And of course here it is the lock button. You need to press that and it will lock here to install the disc. And of course you can remove the attachment spindle. And if you want, you can remove the guard. Remove these 3 screws. Don't do that. Always protect yourself when you are working with angle grinder. It is very dangerous and important to have this guard. And then we need to use, and the key goes here. Nice. And lock. And of course we have the on-off switch. Press and it will lock and it can work continuously. Press down and front. Here we have this ventilation. Let's see if I can remove that. Oh, there it is. It is filter, metal filter, left and right. If for any reason you want to clean the filters after a long time of use, just remove and clean the filters. Soft grip elements here. And of course here we have the speed control, adjusting from 1 to 6, decreasing and increasing buttons, and the display. And to connect the power cord, press, rotate and it will lock. So easy to do. Rotate and remove. I like this option that you can remove the power cord, 5 meters power cord, very convenient to have so long power cord. So let's plug it in. Speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 again. And that is the maximum. Wow, it is powerful. Unfortunately, I will not be testing this angle grinder today due to the weather conditions. It rains a lot in the place where the vise is. That's why I'll be releasing my next video in 2 days, testing this angle grinder and seeing how it performs. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.